These videos you are seeing right here was created by free AI tool, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create something like this video you are watching right now. In this video I'm going to show you step-by-step method in which you can start creating amazing videos like this for free without paying for any AI tool. And the AI tool we'll be using right now in this video is called Grok AI. Elon Musk just launched new AI tool which you can be using to create videos like what you just watched right now for free. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can create amazing videos like what you just watched moments ago. Let's get started. But before we get started, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, in this channel we'll teach you how you can be using AI to create videos, how you can be using AI to edit images. In fact, what we teach in this channel is how you can be using AI. So if you are one of the people who is searching for how you can be using AI, this channel is the best channel you should subscribe to so that you'll be getting latest videos updates drop on how you can be using AI. So if you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button right now. Now, let's get started. Let me show you how you can create amazing videos with this new AI tool. Let's get started. Now, let's get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and you go and download this app you are seeing right here. As you can see, Grok. You go and download this app. I've already downloaded the app on my phone. That is why it's showing open. So the next thing you are going to do after download the app, you install the app on your phone, you click on open. And when you click on open, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to ChatGPT, where we're going to generate our prompt. If you have been following me in this channel, you know that I usually use ChatGPT to generate my prompt. Now, let's use ChatGPT to generate our prompt. Now, this is ChatGPT. Now, I'll be telling ChatGPT, I will say, I want you to generate me a prompt of Nigeria Muslim woman cooking in modern kitchen. So this is what I give to ChatGPT. I want you to generate me a prompt of a Nigerian Muslim woman cooking in modern kitchen. So let's click on it. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the prompt for me. Now, let me copy the prompt. So click on select. Let's copy this prompt. As you can see, a Nigerian woman. So now let's go to this app. Now, so after coming back to the app, you have to click this up here that says imagine. When you click on it, then you put your prompt here. You can also use your picture. You can use any pictures. You can upload pictures from your phone. I will also show you that, but right now let's do this before. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on here, and when you click on it, without wasting much of your time, just minute, you have generated the image for us. And what I love most about this app, that you can convert this image to video in just less than 1 minute without doing any work, without any prompt. So you can choose anyone you like. For example, anyone you like. Let me use this second one here, or this first one. You can choose anyone. All you just have to do is just to click on this plus icon. When you click on it, as you can see, it's turning it into a video for us right now. And in just less than 1 minute, is going to change this to a video for us, which you can download into your phone. And one thing I love about this app is that everything is free. You don't need to subscribe or you don't need to pay anything. At the time of making this video, it's still free. But I don't know for future. Now, let's play it and see. Now, as you can see, this guy can see, it's free. You can do this for free. Now, as you can see. So all you just have to do is to download, is just to click here. After you have, now let me show you guys how you can also use image from your phone. And to do that, all you just have to do is just to click on create image. When you click on create videos, you click on this plus sign, and let's add this image here. This image you are seeing, this image. Then as you are going to see, it's loading right now. Now it's converting it to a video for us. This image is in my phone, so it's converting it to a video for us. So let's just give it some minutes, and it's going to convert it to a video for us in less than a second. Now it has successfully done that for us. As you can see, this is the video. You have successful from image to video. So you can just click on download, and you download it to your phone, and you save it to your phone. And one thing I love about this app is everything is free, and you also have sound. You can play it and you listen to the sound, and you also see this. This is the sound. This is the sound. So I don't want to play the sound so that it will not disturb our video, but it also comes with sound. It will also generate the sound with it. So the next thing, you click on download so that you can download it to your phone. Now, after you do that, you can also use this and edit image. Yes, you can use this app to edit image, to enhance image. If you have any image on your phone that you want to enhance, you can also use this app to enhance image. And to do that, now let's go back. All you have to do that, you scroll down here, as you can see, then you click edit image here. Then when you click on edit image, it will bring you to an interface where you can upload any image on your phone. Now I'll be using this image as an example. Then you click on done. Let me use this image. Then as you can see, the next thing, you just click on continue. Click on continue, and it's going to enhance this image for us right now. Now, as you can see, in less than 1 minute, it's going to enhance this image for us. So let's just give it some time. Let's just give it some time. It's still working on it. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. As you can see, you have enhanced it. Now, you have a lot of things here for us to select again. Now, let me click on this first one and see what it's going to do for us here again. Now, as you can see, it's still editing the image. You don't need to do any work, and it's free. That is one thing I love about this app. As you can see now, it's free. Now, as you can see, this is what it gave us. In fact, I love this app. As you can see, it changed the background, everything itself. It changed it. Wow, wow, wow. Let's tap on it. Now, as you can see, wow, I love it. Let's click on download, and you have downloaded it to your phone. So as you can see, this is what it gives to us. So you can use this app, and it's free. It's free. Everything about this app is free. That is one thing I love about it. So you can try it, create videos. As you can see, create videos. When you click create videos, you upload image, or you just write your prompt. Let's say, you can also put a prompt here. Let's try that. A Nigerian man working in Lagos road. Let's use this like this and click on generate. Now let's give it some minutes. It's going to. Now as you can see, a Nigerian working on Lagos road. Now as you can see, you have generated for us. Now if you want to turn it to an image, just the way. Now if you want to turn it to a video, just the way you do a moment ago, you just click on this plus icon and click on plus icon. Is going to. Now as you can see, it's doing it for us already. Now let's play it and see. Now as you guys can see, now I love this. I love this. So you can try it also, and when you try it, you see how it works. If you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.